Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Absa Bank CD rates. A certificate of deposit, or CD, is a type of savings account that offers a fixed interest rate for a specified period of time. Absa Bank offers competitive CD rates that can help you grow your savings over time. To get started, you will need to open a CD account with Absa Bank. This can be done online, by phone, or in person at a local branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can choose from a variety of CD terms, ranging from a few months to several years. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate you will earn. For example, a 1-year CD may offer a lower interest rate than a 5-year CD. To use Absa Bank CD rates, you will need to deposit a minimum amount of money into your account. This amount will vary depending on the type of CD you choose. Some CDs may require a minimum deposit of $1,000, while others may require $10,000 or more. After you have deposited your money, you can start earning interest right away. The interest will be compounded daily, which means that you will earn interest on both your principal deposit and any accrued interest. This can help your savings grow over time. It is essential to note that CDs are time deposit accounts, which means that you will face penalties for early withdrawal. This is because you are essentially lending your money to the bank for a specified period of time. If you need to access your money before the end of the term, you may be charged a fee. To avoid penalties, it is crucial to choose a CD term that aligns with your financial goals and needs. If you think you may need to access your money in the short term, you may want to consider a shorter CD term or a different type of savings account. In conclusion, using Absa Bank CD rates can be a great way to grow your savings over time. By choosing the right CD term and understanding the terms and conditions, you can earn competitive interest rates and reach your financial goals. Remember to always read the fine print and ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of the CD account. With the right knowledge and planning, you can make the most of Absa Bank CD rates and achieve financial success.